Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am using this brand new kit, sequins, and I just have to jump right into it. It is stunning. It is called Spice Cider. I've got the Limitless kit here, the Essentials kit. I've got some a la carte items. I've got the paper pack that comes with it. Guys, it is so gorgeous. It needed to all be acquired. That's what I'm saying in this situation. So to start, I pulled these 4 papers. Loved them, loved the way they looked together. I was page kit vibing a little bit with it. So, trying to see what paper wants to be the background. And I'm kind of thinking this gold one does. So that will be my background. Let me show you my photo really quickly. This is myself. This is me in front of pumpkins. I did a selfie with pumpkins in front of Kroger because I'm ridiculous. But look aren't they gorgeous? I thought they were so gorgeous. So that's that. There is this massive set. Oh, I still love that floral. Of these 49 Market frames. They're called the Toast Frame Set. And I was thinking this would be the perfect time to start to use that. So, ta-da! The pumpkins and I will be framed just like that. Super cute, totally takes care of it in like 1 second. Okay, so I have that plan. This can be my background. Great. And I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I want to see all of these papers, right? So why don't we start, and I love this. And I want some of it in there. It doesn't match perfectly to my pumpkins, which what can you do? Not everything's gonna match exactly what you have in your head. Do I want more of this tone or more of the peachy tone? Let's see. Okay, we want more of this one down here that has this depth. Now, these paper rose papers, if you are a person that likes to tear, they tear very nicely. Where's my cutter? So I know I want some of this, right? I've got, like, I know what I want on here, but I'm not exactly sure what my vibe is, which makes it a little confusing. So I want that. I know I want. I sound like Veruca Salt. I know I want some of this wood grain. This is Weekend Adventure D. Come on, you paper that thinks it's gonna get away from the tearing extravaganza that's coming its way. All right. Fine. I want it to be babied a little bit. We have that. Great. Now, I wanted some more of this. This is my next idea. I wanted some more of it to be on the bottom as well because the wood just kind of grounds it. It makes, I don't know, it's this natural color and it makes me happy. I don't know. Is it natural? I don't know. I mean, wood's natural, but I don't know if this color's natural because it looks like it had previously been painted or something. So I wanted to definitely have some kind of a wood thing going in. So I know I want a little bit less of this stunning corally vibe now. So I have that. Great. We are happy. We are happy. Hold on. We've got me. I'm involved in this. Got it. Now, this needs to be involved too. So let's just keep tearing. Just keep tearing. Just keep tearing. Yeah, I'm like Nemo. Now I'm getting happier. Do I want it like this? No, I want it like that. Ooh. Yes, Now, what I'm thinking, see, I have my wood grain here and I had it here and I liked it and I was all proud of myself and we're like, oh, good, we've gotten somewhere. Oh, but wait, we're gonna do opposite day because I want some of this floral, maybe on top here. Yes, yep, that's what I wanted. It's true. I thought I was bringing this in, but no, I'm not. Who knew? Now, I have those. Do I like the 2? Or do I want more coral up there? I don't know yet. We're going to get to that. Great. but we've got a start. Guys, I have all of these beautiful pieces in here that are from Farmstead Harvest. So definitely going to grab like, you know, pumpkins and things. We're definitely going to do that. And what else do we have for these treasures? Let's see, I'm trying to move everything. I've been also working in my office, so things get a little askew. I've got to decorate up this acorn. Yep, that's gonna match in a minute, so we'll paint that. That's in the a la carte section with this cute little sweater. Love the sweater. I was wearing short sleeves because a little Indian summer photo situation, but you know. Ooh, oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. I don't know if the idea is gonna happen, but I love the idea that the photo is kind of sitting. Yep, love it. It's happening. The photo is now sitting in this giant leaf cluster trying to eat it. Perfect. I've got this acorn. I think we're gonna have another nice little cluster up there. Maybe that's where we'll bring a little tiny bit of this. Let me tear a little bit of this to start. Ooh, gosh, my tearing is terrible. Okay, this is what happens when I'm left alone. I make very bad dad jokes. Okay, so we've got that and it brought that color up. Happy. It would help if you can even see what I'm talking about. Okay, I have that. Still have to decorate up my cute acorn. Got it. Now, what else is in this kit? I'm like a mad scientist with a brand new thing. Ooh, Everyday Moments is low-key early. Everyday Moments in autumn would be even better because I was going to Kroger. So I think I better use that. That was in the a la carte section, this cardstock cut. Everyday Moments. I like the blessings, autumn, family, ba, 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 ba. I'm looking at everything. Everyday. Ooh, look at that word fall. Ooh, ooh. They're so beautiful. Guys, this stuff is so beautiful. All right, what I'm gonna do now, first, I'm gonna calm down. Second, I'm going to get these pieces attached down and color up this little fella and decide, do I want to leave this white? I might just put a little color like around the outside and around this bit because I like the bright white because it kind of pops with the bright white of the torn bits. Okay, y'all, I have stuff all over my desk, so please bear with me. I started placing all of these gorgeous ephemera bits from the Farmstead Harvest set of goodies, and I have them tucked in here, there, and everywhere. Now I just went ahead and cut out, not cut out, trimmed out, I don't know, how would you say that? From the Minte Papers set of chippies. These are in the a la carte section and you get a ton. So I went ahead and popped some out. You just use a craft knife and they come right out. It is fab. And I chose to leave them this time in their, which one do I want to use? I think I'll use, no, I'm good. I chose to leave them in their natural color because quite frankly, it totally goes with this collection and it looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna spend some time and get all of these pieces down before I like knock it and it starts going flying. What else to tell you? Oh, guys, look at how cute this is. I finished this up last night. Isn't it cute? I used all Distress Oxides on that and it came out beautifully. Oh, and then the cut file that we have, I cut it up into 3 parts and just used a little bit of ink to color it in. So I have it here and I'll hide the cut part there and here and here. So it's bringing us that much more of the fun cardstock cuts. So I've got all of those bits are tacked down and now, oh, and I grabbed some of these little florals. I thought they were so cute and I popped them up on just a little bit of dimensional adhesive. Oh, there's one right there. So now I was looking at this, I definitely want to bring in some of my Nuvo Stone drops and I'm thinking of like, do I put them in floral centers or do I use them as enamel dots? I'm not quite sure. I'm going to figure that out. I also have my sequins from the a la carte section that are just gorgeous and beautiful and they match perfectly. So I might do a little combo. I wanted to look at this because guys, I went off using all of the bits and I'm like, wait, I've got these foam, well, you know what, it's reading puffy stickers, but they're actually foam cardstock stickers. Anywho, so I was thinking maybe I will add just a couple of these cute little bits in here because, you know, clearly I don't have enough going on as things stand right now. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that there. I'm going to just do the usual tuck, 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 and see where I can get yet more. I can't get anything under there because that's really tacked down nicely. So, ooh, I can get that there. Oh, I love these oak leaves. They are very pretty. So if I have one there, I might want to go ahead and pop one right there. It can go up on the photo area. We've got this great maple leaf as well. Ooh, look at this floral. We can tuck a nice little floral in here. Yeah, because so much room to put more stuff. You guys, look at how chunky my clusters are. But I love it. Do I want to put this floral? No, I don't want to put this floral. For actually zero reason. If you're going to say, well, why did you make that decision? It's just the way it went. Oh, and then we've got this little leafy bit. Okay, I have some there. I've got one there. It's not really going to do a whole lot if I have one there. Ooh, I can have this one as if it's a little floral leaf come off there. There we go. Nice little tuck tuck. All right, I'm going to spend a couple minutes getting some Nuvo drops on, a few little sequins. I will come back and show you the finished layout. All right, y'all. That is that for this layout. I did end up putting some of, where is it? My Nuvo stone drops. I have some here on my woodcut. And then I put some in the centers of my florals. Well, I guess I have a sequin in the center of those as well. So oopsie, it went flying. I freaking love these stone drops. Like, if you haven't played with them, they literally feel like a little bit of a gritty stone. It is awesome. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. I wanted to show you something just went flying. A little bit of my texture and my dimension and all of these gorgeous elements all piled up. I have a little tiny bit of white space, all that kind of thing. Guys, where did this go? Where did it go? Ooh, I'm going to put it there. All right, guys, I'm going to have some still shots to follow. I will also have all the links for Not Just for Boys, well, Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, the Facebook group, and the blog. And guys, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video, a few still shots to follow.